This is the Kenwood KR-3130. Just started working on it tonight. Replaced a lot of capacitors. Amplifier is working great. All the controls are cleaned. New set of dial amps. Still got to fix the rest of the FM tuner. But if you're wondering what the blue stuff is, this is masking tape to keep the trim from getting scratched while I'm working on it. But so it sounds good. So I'm looking forward to finishing this one up. The FM tuner does work, just not real well. No more scratchy volume control either.